Hello peeps. Well, guess what? You may recall I did a review of the Minimum RC Stuka, and it seems that Minimum RC were somewhat happy with the video that I did. So I'm doing another one, and this landed on the mat this afternoon, and I've not opened it or anything. So this one, well, as I said, I've not opened it, so I'm hoping it's the Lockheed P-80 Shooting Star 30mm EDF jet, and hopefully it has the Servos, the self-leveling control. So just to prove that it really is the first time I'm opening it, there you go. So let's have a look. I might have to turn the camera down. So that's my address there. You can't read it because the wife's already crossed it out. In case you're trying to send the boys round. Right, so that little bit of sleeve there was on the end, so that's come off there. Okay. There's something inside it. Let's see, what can it be? I think I know what it is. Okay. How does one open? Okay. Right. What can it be? I think I know what it is. Plastic parts. Yeah, how about that? Plastic parts. So I'll put those back in the box. Because I'm a little bit busy at the moment doing other things, other projects, and I'm bound to lose them if I part them. So let's see if I can just cut the tape here with the knife. Any more tape before I begin? No. So I'm gonna turn the camera down. Actually, I'll probably move the camera over here. I'm in the kitchen at the moment because the workshop is full of secret projects that I don't want you to see right now. People have asked me to build some aircraft for them, and I don't think they really want the world to know about it. Okay, so what do we have? We have a charger, which looks a lot different to the larger than what the Stuka had. Again, we have the glue, the knife, screwdriver, and some other glue that I can't remember the name of because I've got a very poor memory. A canopy in there. We have some servos. We have the RX, the receiver there, and the battery's in there. It's a 180 milliamp hour, 7.4 volt, 30C. So 180 milliamp hour, 7.4 volt, 30C, and I think that is the Servos. Right, so I've got to read up about that because, or is it? Oh, there's another bit. No, it seems that's the Servos. So what that bit is, I don't know. Okay, so you get that as well. I think you have to order this separately. Then we've got the motor, some cassette connections, an impeller, and some carbon fibre rods, or flat rods, I don't know, they're flat around right now, and what do you call it? It gives a letter P. Goodness gracious, you get the wood with it. So this is the internal stuff. And what else have we got? Now, I think this has come from halfway around the world, so considering it's come from halfway around the world, it's done a very good journey. There's no damage or anything like that. So there are some more wood here. Plywood, there you go, and you'll remember plywood. And there's your exterior stickers for when you put the airframe together. So there we are, and it's the P-80 Lockheed Shooting Star, and yeah, it looks all right. Looks okay. I like the colours actually. Quite well done, I think. So we'll be doing that, and I hope that you will follow along, and we'll see how well this goes together and how well it flies. As I said, I've never done their SAVs, which is their gyro, their version of the gyro. So we've got some bits and bobs here. So I'm going to put that back down like that. So it's quite well packaged. I have to say, their packaging is very good. It is very good, and I'm hoping that I've got to look through the instructions, which you have to download, and I have already downloaded them and used the printer at work. Well, there you go. So that's what I'll be doing, and as I said, I have some things to finish, but I will be cracking on with this soonest. I do have other projects on the go at the moment, and we are coming into spring, which means my beloved lawn will be getting lots and lots of care and love, which takes a little bit of my time. Oh, by the way, I've rebuilt a lawnmower. Somebody said I should have done a video about it. I think they were taking the Michael. I don't know. If they were serious, I would have done it too. How to fix a lawnmower. Cylinder lawnmower, not your rotary ones like you Americans use. No, it's a cylinder one, a proper one. Yeah, for tennis courts and bowling greens and stuff. Yeah, anyway. So there we are. We're starting that. I don't know how many parts it's going to be, but I'm certainly going to take my time over it. I've got to clear my bench off. As I said, I've got some secret projects going on. Somebody's asked me to build somebody else, so I'm going to fit this in best I can and take my time and make as many videos step by step with these. And as you probably heard on other videos for Minimum RC, you must follow the instructions precisely. Do not variate, okay, and it will fly. Well, that's the plan anyway. The last one flew okay. First go. Went like that, first go. And that didn't have any SAVs on it, and it flew great, just flying it from the sticks. So there you go. That's something to look forward to, and watch out for part 1. See you later.